So you're thinking about getting an electric car, right? You've probably noticed the flashy Chinese models making waves. And then there are the American giants like Tesla and Ford. But when it comes to durability, battery life, and how long these cars really last, who's winning? Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, Road Kings and Rust, where horsepower meets knowledge. Today we're diving into an electrifying showdown, Chinese versus American EVs. We're breaking down everything you need to know. Battery life, technology, and which of these cars will actually stand the test of time. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you might be shocked to find out who's really dominating the EV world. Let's kick things off with the heart of every EV, the battery. This is where the performance, longevity, and overall reliability of an electric vehicle begins. And the battle between Chinese and American EVs really heats up here. American EVs, especially those from Tesla, rely heavily on NCA, nickel cobalt aluminum, and NCM, nickel cobalt manganese, battery chemistries. These batteries are engineered for maximum energy density, which means they hold more charge and deliver a longer range. We're talking 300 to 400 miles per charge in most Tesla models, and even more in some. But the magic doesn't stop at that range. Tesla batteries are known for their impressive durability. After 100,000 miles, many owners report their battery still holds 85 to 90% of its original capacity. That kind of consistency means you're not seeing a significant drop-off in performance over time. Plus, thanks to Tesla's liquid cooling systems and innovative software, degradation is minimized, even under heavy use. Now swing over to China, and you'll notice a very different philosophy. Chinese EV giants like BYD, NIO, and XPeng are prioritizing safety, affordability, and long-term stability. Their weapon of choice? LFP, lithium iron phosphate, batteries. While these don't pack as much energy density as NCA or NCM, they make up for it in its cycle life and thermal stability. These batteries can last through 3,000 plus charge cycles, with some lab tests suggesting they can take over 745,000 miles. That's almost double what American EVs typically offer. Another bonus is that LFP batteries are less likely to overheat or catch fire, making them ideal for dense urban areas or countries with tighter safety regulations. Plus, they're cheaper to produce, which lowers the car's price tag. But here's the trade-off: less range per charge. LFP batteries generally tap out between 250 to 310 miles, and their performance drops significantly in cold weather. That means you might run into some limitations if you're living in a colder region or plan many road trips. So how do you choose? If your daily drives involve short trips, commuting, and city traffic, Chinese EVs with LFP batteries are reliable, safe, and cost-effective. However, for highway warriors and long-haul drivers, the extended range and performance retention of American EVs, especially Teslas, still make them the go-to for freedom on the open road. If you're finding this EV comparison useful, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward insights on the best electric rides out there. Now, let's get to the next segment. Alright, we've talked batteries, but what about the rest of the car? Because let's be real, all the high-tech specs in the world won't mean much if the vehicle starts rattling after a few thousand miles. Build quality is where things get real. Let's talk about the American side. Tesla has always been the flashy poster child for EV innovation. But it hasn't always been smooth sailing when it comes to build quality. Early Model 3s and Model Ys caught heat for misaligned panels, paint flaws, and creaky interiors. But to be fair, things have gotten way better. With new factories like Giga Berlin and Giga Texas, Tesla has ramped up its quality control big time. The latest models feel tighter, more polished, and a lot more premium than before. And then you've got the Rivian and Lucid, which come in swinging with that luxury old-school craftsmanship vibe. These brands aren't just about performance, they're about making you feel like you're in something special. Solid door thunks, soft leather, and cabin designs that wouldn't look out of place in a high-end European car. Lucid in particular blends futuristic tech with handcrafted elegance. Inside most American EVs, the vibe is clean and modern. Huge screens, minimalist layouts, and vegan leather seats. Some folks love it. Others say it feels too empty or too focused on tech. Either way, there's no denying that the material quality has come a long way in the past few years. Now let's flip the script and take a look at Chinese EVs, and wow, the progress is real. Companies like BYD, NIO, and XPeng are stepping up big time. Their newer models feel plush, high-tech, and well thought out. Think ambient lighting, panoramic sunroofs, and ultra-wide infotainment screens. Even the panel gaps are super tight. But, and this is important, some Chinese EVs still fall short in small but noticeable ways. Things like rust protection, weatherproofing, or road noise at higher speeds can be hit or miss, especially in export versions not tailored for harsh environments. Structurally, American EVs often have an edge with aluminum frames, crash-tested safety, and stronger global track records. Chinese brands are catching up fast, but safety scores and long-term durability still tilt slightly in favor of the US for now. For now, American EVs bring the muscle and long-term confidence, but Chinese EVs are catching the eye with sleek designs and surprising quality, at a fraction of the price. Now that we've covered the hardware, let's talk about what makes these EVs smarter: the software. Because these cars aren't just machines anymore, they're rolling computers that learn, adapt, and entertain. But how smart are these EVs really? Well, American EVs, like Tesla, lead the charge here. Tesla's autopilot is the gold standard for driver assistance systems. Hands-on or hands-free, the car can steer, accelerate, and brake automatically on highways. And then there's full self-driving, FSD, which aims to take that to the next level. Though it's still a work in progress and can be a little hit or miss at times. However, Tesla consistently pushes out software updates over the air, OTA, which means your car gets better the longer you own it. It's like getting a fresh upgrade every month. The Tesla UI is another talking point. Clean, simple, and functional. All the car's controls are centered around a giant touchscreen, which some drivers love for its minimalism, though it can take a little getting used to. One downside, not everyone's a fan of the reliance on the screen for literally everything, from adjusting the AC to changing the music. Now moving to the Rivian and Lucid, they're bringing their own spin on tech. Rivian offers an intuitive, rugged, and outdoorsy feel, with features like the gear tunnel and an interface that's easy to navigate without overwhelming you with options. Conversely, Lucid focuses on smooth, luxury-grade tech, high-definition displays, AI-driven settings, and features designed to make the drive feel like an experience, not just a commute. On the flip side, Chinese companies like BYD, XPeng, and NIO are not far behind. XPeng offers its own driver assistance system, XPilot, which provides features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automated parking. They've even started offering advanced gesture controls, letting you do things like open the sunroof with a simple wave. BYD and NIO aren't far behind, integrating innovative AI systems and OTA updates to improve things like battery management, driving modes, and more. But here's the catch. While the Chinese brands are catching up, they still don't have the same level of autonomous driving or AI integration that Tesla offers. Some Chinese vehicles, especially in global markets, also lack the seamless app integration that makes Tesla so convenient. For example, Tesla's mobile app allows you to control everything from your car's temperature to its charging status, and even schedule service appointments, something other manufacturers are still trying to perfect. In terms of user experience, Tesla's user interface still feels like the most polished and intuitive, even though Chinese brands are definitely making strides. However, if you're looking for advanced driver assistance systems and cutting-edge AI, Tesla's definitely the front runner. So when it comes to smart tech, Tesla clearly has the lead, but Chinese EVs are gaining ground quickly. It's an exciting race to watch, especially as more software updates roll out and make these cars smarter, safer, and more capable every day. Let's be honest, choosing between American and Chinese EVs isn't a walk in the park. With all the options on the table, getting lost in the details is easy, but knowing which EV can truly stand the test of time is key to making the best decision. Which one would you bet on for the long run? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We've got more in-depth comparisons and EV insights coming your way. You won't want to miss them. Now, it comes to long-term ownership, reliability, and maintenance. After all, an EV might have all the fancy features, but if it's constantly in the shop or having issues, it kind of defeats the purpose, right? When we think of reliability, American EVs, especially Tesla, have had their ups and downs. The brand's reputation for durability has been a bit of a roller coaster. Early models were plagued by issues like poor fit and finish, software glitches, and even interior component problems. But over the years, Tesla has really made an effort to improve, with newer models showing a lot more consistency in terms of build quality and software performance. That said, Tesla owners still report occasional glitches with the infotainment system and autopilot issues. Service availability can be challenging, especially in rural areas where you may have to wait for a mobile service van or travel long distances to a service center. Now, when we're talking maintenance, one of the major advantages of EVs over traditional cars is that they have fewer moving parts, meaning fewer things can break, whether you're driving a Tesla or an NIO. This is true across the board. However, that doesn't mean maintenance is non-existent. While you're not dealing with things like oil changes or exhaust repairs, you still need to maintain your brake pads, suspension, and other mechanical systems. Tesla owners, for example, often report that their cars need brake fluid replacements or tires replaced sooner than they'd like, given the heavy torque on the wheels. Battery health is another crucial factor, especially as these cars age. But how do Chinese EVs compare in the long run? Let's take a closer look at how these two powerhouses measure up when it comes to keeping you on the road without the hassle. Chinese EVs, particularly those from BYD and XPeng, have been surprising buyers due to their overall reliability and low maintenance needs. While they're newer to the EV game, they've been learning from the mistakes of American brands and building strong cars that can handle the long haul. In fact, some owners of Chinese EVs have reported fewer issues with things like software glitches and build quality problems compared to early Tesla models. These cars come with warranties that can cover you for up to 8 years or 100,000 miles, so there's peace of mind in case something goes wrong. One area where Chinese EVs do excel is affordability in repairs. For brands like BYD and NIO, parts are often cheaper to replace than those for American cars. This is partly because the manufacturing and parts supply chains are located closer to home, meaning repair costs are generally lower for consumers in China. However, finding parts or getting specialized services can be trickier outside of China, depending on where you're located. Ultimately, both American and Chinese EVs offer strong reliability, but each has its quirks. Tesla has undoubtedly improved, but the availability of service and repair options still leaves room for growth. On the flip side, Chinese brands offer impressive reliability and much more affordable repairs, but you might run into logistical issues if you're outside of their primary markets. Don't forget to share this video with your EV shopping friends, and if you're looking for more insights to help you choose between American and Chinese EVs, stay tuned for more of our in-depth comparisons. Now let's talk price, because that's where the difference between these two really stands out. When it comes to price, Chinese EVs really make an impact. A Tesla Model 3 will set you back around $38,000, but a BYD Seal can cost you $10,000 to $15,000 less. That's a significant win for anyone on a budget, giving you access to tons of features for much less money. However, resale value tells a different story. Teslas are known to hold their value over time, even after several years. You can expect a solid return if you decide to sell. This is because Tesla has built a strong brand, and its cars are in high demand in the used market. On the other hand, Chinese EVs are still establishing their reputation, especially outside of China. They tend to depreciate faster due to limited brand recognition and a shorter track record. So while you're saving up front, you might not get as much back when it's time to sell. Ultimately, it's about balancing short-term savings with long-term value. If you're looking for a great deal right now, Chinese EVs are unbeatable. But if resale value matters to you, American EVs might be the better choice in the long run. So who's the real winner in this electric showdown? It really depends on what you're looking for. If you want the best range, top-notch performance, and cutting-edge tech, American EVs, especially Tesla, still takes the crown. They've got the longest battery life, a solid reputation, and the kind of innovation that sets the bar high for the industry. But if you're all about saving some cash up front without sacrificing reliability, Chinese EVs like BYD and NIO are hard to beat. You're getting a lot of value for your money, and their reliability is catching up fast. Plus, they're super safe and affordable to maintain. Ultimately, whether you're leaning toward an American or Chinese EV, both have a lot to offer. It's all about finding the right balance between performance and price, and what fits best with your lifestyle. So, What's your take on the battle of EVs? Which one would you trust to go the distance? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. If this video helped you decide which EV is built to last, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more straight talking reviews and tips. And stick around for more deep dives into the rides that'll keep you on the road for the long haul. See you in the next one.